Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia and today we are going to talk about ordering food.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, do you enjoy eating at restaurants?
Yes, Ryan, I enjoy it very much.
What kind of food do you like?
I like noodles, rice, and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you. What about you?
I like pizza and burgers.
Those are very popular foods.
Yes, they are.
Ryan, do you often order food in English?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Were you nervous at first?
Yes, a little nervous.
Many English learners feel the same way.
That is true.
But ordering food can be easy.
Yes, we only need a few useful sentences.
Exactly.
Let's imagine we are entering a restaurant.
Great idea.
We walk into the restaurant.
The server smiles and says hello.
We smile and say hello too.
Then the server gives us a menu.
We look at the menu carefully.
There are many food choices.
Sometimes there are too many choices.
Yes, that can make it difficult.
What do you do when you cannot decide?
I ask questions.
What kind of questions?
I ask, what do you recommend?
That is a very useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it.
The server may suggest a popular dish.
Then I can choose more easily.
That's smart.
Thank you.
Another useful sentence is, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Very simple and polite.
Yes,
We can also say, I would like a menu, please.
that's correct.
Ryan, what do you usually drink with your meal?
I usually drink water.
Water is always a good choice.
What about you?
I like orange juice.
That sounds refreshing.
It is.
Let's practice ordering a drink.
Okay,
I would like a glass of water, please.
very good.
Can you give another example?
I would like some orange juice, please.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Now let's order some food.
Sounds good.
I would like a pizza, please.
I would like a bowl of noodles, please.
Very easy.
Yes, beginners can use these sentences right away.
Confidence comes from practice.
I agree.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
That is true.
Have you ever made a mistake when ordering food?
Yes, many times.
Really?
Once I ordered the wrong drink.
What happened?
I wanted orange juice.
And what did you get?
I got apple juice.
That's funny.
Yes, but it was okay.
Exactly. We should not be afraid of mistakes. We should keep practicing.
That's good advice.
Thank you.
Let's talk about polite words.
Great idea.
Which polite word do we use often?
We use please.
Yes, please is very important.
It makes your sentence polite.
For example, water, please.
Or a burger, please.
Very nice.
Another polite phrase is thank you.
We should always say thank you.
Yes, it shows respect.
That's right.
Ryan, do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
What's a food you want to try?
I want to try a new pasta dish.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I want to try a new pizza.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
Food brings people together.
I agree.
Friends and families often eat together.
Meals can be very special.
Yes, they can.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Let's continue our food adventure.
Yes, we have much more to discuss.
We are happy to continue our conversation.
Sophia, let's imagine we are ready to order.
Okay, I have my menu.
Me too.
The server comes to our table.
The server asks, "Are you ready to order?"
I say, yes, I am.
Then what do you order?
I say, I would like chicken noodles, please.
Good choice.
Thank you.
I say, "I would like a pizza, please."
That sounds delicious.
Then the server asks about drinks.
I order orange juice.
I order water.
Very healthy.
Thank you.
After ordering, we wait for the food.
Sometimes the restaurant is busy.
Yes, we need patience.
What do you usually do while waiting?
I talk with friends.
Me too.
Good conversations make time pass quickly.
That's true.
Then the food arrives.
The food looks great.
The noodles smell wonderful.
The pizza looks hot and fresh.
I take my first bite.
How is it?
It is very tasty.
Wonderful.
How is your pizza?
It is excellent.
That's nice.
Do you ever share food with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Sharing food can be fun.
I agree.
You can try different dishes.
Exactly.
What food do your friends usually order?
Many of them like burgers.
Burgers are popular everywhere.
Yes, they are.
Some people enjoy spicy food.
Do you like spicy food?
A little,
I like it too.
but not too spicy.
I understand.
Everyone has different tastes.
That makes food interesting.
Very true.
Ryan, what do you do if the food is too hot?
Then the server asks about drinks.
I order orange juice.
I order water.
Very healthy.
Thank you.
After ordering, we wait for the food.
Sometimes the restaurant is busy.
Yes, we need patience.
What do you usually do while waiting?
I talk with friends.
Me too.
Good conversations make time pass quickly.
That's true.
Then the food arrives.
The food looks great.
The noodles smell wonderful.
The pizza looks hot and fresh.
I take my first bite.
How is it?
It is very tasty.
Wonderful.
How is your pizza?
It is excellent.
That's nice.
Do you ever share food with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Sharing food can be fun.
I agree.
You can try different dishes.
Exactly.
What food do your friends usually order?
Many of them like burgers.
Burgers are popular everywhere.
Yes, they are.
Some people enjoy spicy food.
Do you like spicy food?
A little,
I like it too.
but not too spicy.
I understand.
Everyone has different tastes.
That makes food interesting.
Very true.
Ryan, what do you do if the food is too hot?
I wait a few minutes.
Good idea.
I do not want to burn my mouth.
That is smart.
Now, let's learn some useful English.
Great idea.
The phrase, I would like, is very important.
Yes, it is polite and common.
For example, I would like a sandwich, please.
Or, I would like a coffee, please.
Very good.
We can use this phrase almost anywhere.
Exactly.
Another useful phrase is, can I have?
For example, can I have a glass of water?
Or, can I have the menu, please?
Excellent examples.
Thank you.
Let's talk about vocabulary.
Sounds good.
What is a menu?
A menu is a list of food and drinks.
Correct.
What is a server?
A server is a person who brings food to customers.
Exactly.
What is a customer?
A customer is a person who buys something.
Very good.
These words are useful in restaurants.
Yes, they are.
Let's learn another word.
Okay.
The word is order.
Order means to ask for food or drinks.
Correct.
Example, I want to order lunch.
Great sentence.
Thank you.
Let's discuss grammar.
Good idea.
We often use the verb eat.
Yes.
Eat is the present form.
Example, I eat pizza.
The past form is ate.
Example, yesterday I ate pizza.
Very good.
This is an irregular verb,
Yes, eat becomes ate.
not eated.
Correct.
Let's learn another verb.
The verb is drink.
Present tense. I drink water.
Past tense, I drank water.
Another irregular verb.
Exactly.
Learning these verbs is useful.
We use them every day.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Great. Say the word menu.
Menu.
Very good. Now say restaurant.
Restaurant.
Excellent.
Some learners find that word difficult.
Yes, but practice helps.
Always practice speaking aloud.
It improves pronunciation.
That's right.
Ryan, what is your favorite restaurant meal?
Pizza with vegetables.
Sounds delicious.
What about you?
Chicken noodles and orange juice.
Nice combination.
Thank you.
Have you ever tried a food you did not like?
Yes.
What happened?
The food was too spicy.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Did you finish it?
No, I could not.
That's understandable.
What about you?
I once ordered a dish with a strange taste.
Did you like it?
Not very much.
That's okay.
We learn by trying new things.
Exactly. What about you, listeners?
What is your favorite food?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Food is a wonderful topic,
Everyone enjoys talking about food.
and it helps us learn English.
That's true.
Let's continue with one more restaurant situation.
Sounds great.
We finish our meal.
We feel full and happy.
The food was excellent.
The service was good too.
Now we are ready to pay.
That is another useful situation.
We will talk about it next.
Yes, and we will finish our conversation.
Sophia, we finished our meal.
Yes, the food was very good.
I enjoyed my pizza.
And I enjoyed my noodles.
Now it is time to pay the bill.
That is an important part of eating at a restaurant.
What do we say when we want to pay?
We can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Very useful.
Another common sentence is, "Can I get the bill, please?"
Both are correct.
Yes.
Then the server brings the bill.
We look at it carefully.
It is always good to check the bill.
That's true.
Then we pay.
Some people pay with cash.
Some people pay with a card.
Both methods are common.
Sophia, which do you usually use?
I usually use a card.
Me too.
It is very convenient.
After paying, what do we say?
We say thank you.
Yes, it is polite.
Good manners are important.
I agree.
Ryan, did you enjoy today's restaurant experience?
Yes, very much.
Me too.